Hi, I'm Dustin Abbott, and I'm here today to give you my review of the Hohem iSteady M7 mobile gimbal. The iSteady M7 is the latest generation of Hohem's popular mobile gimbals, full of advanced features like a detachable touchscreen remote, an AI tracking module with both a camera and RGB lighting, and even a built-in 193mm selfie stick extension, perfect for use for vlogging or helping to get low-angle shots without stooping way over. The AI tracker works without needing to use an additional app, which is important since your phone is the camera here. Just use the touchscreen to designate what you want to track. You can change the AI camera to align with either the front or rear cameras, depending on your need, and it'll even provide fill lighting while doing vlogging. The AI tracking is useful when you're in selfie or vlogging type mode because it will keep you centered in the frame even while you're moving around, or even if you happen to be quite active with the camera itself, it's going to keep you in that tracking mode and keep everything nice and stable. Now I'm a little dizzy, and so that you can get the most out of your footage. The gimbal itself can support a payload of up to 500 grams or 1.1 pounds, 100 grams more than the M6, and Hohem claims the iSteady M7 is compatible with 95% of smartphones on the market, including some foldable models. I was able to get smooth footage while walking or panning around subjects. The AI camera is also useful for giving you a real-time monitor for framing when your phone is either low or at a difficult angle to see. The removable remote makes it easy to do smooth pans or even to control the function of the phone's camera while you're on camera. I found calibration to be simple, footage to be stable even while on the move, and everything included fits nicely into a slim, molded protective case. The iSteady M7 isn't cheap at roughly $400, but it is also the most feature-rich and well-executed mobile gimbal package that I've personally seen. It is loaded with different control points, from the touchscreen to physical buttons, joysticks, a trigger, and even a rotary dial on the left side. And with battery life up to 12 hours, you have a lot of creation time available, though if you use the AI tracking, that will drop to 8 hours, and if you use the fill light as well, it will have that time again. I mostly film on high-end cameras, but I do like using my iPhone for B-roll and run-and-gun footage. And so far, I'm finding that the Hohem iSteady M7 is a reliable, feature-rich option to expand my creative options when using my phone. If you can move past the price tag, the iSteady M7 is definitely worth it.